9 booked calls, 41 positive replies, all from less than 600 leads. This is how we helped our client achieve 1 booked call for every 65 contacts in our list. To give a little bit of context, we are targeting marketing and advertising agencies with a very strong automation offer. So stick around as I break down the entire campaign step by step. So when we started this campaign, one thing was really obvious. LinkedIn was going to be a very strong source of leads for us. So we identified 20 of the largest influencers in the marketing and advertising niche, people who post regularly and have a highly engaged audience. So these influencers became our starting point. Next, we used Phantom Buster to scrape the followers of these influencers. This gave us a pool of potential leads actively engaging with the kind of content our client thrives on. And if you're curious how we did this, I actually filmed a tutorial on my channel titled How to Scrape Your Competitors' LinkedIn Followers. I'm also going to add the link in the description if you wanted a direct link there to check it out. And of course, like not every single follower in this list is a perfect fit. So to narrow things down, we mapped the client's total addressable market and their ICP. We built this via Clay, just sort of an easy way for us to filter down all of these leads, just to make sure that they were exactly what we were looking for. And we ended up building a 4-part scoring system that evaluates each lead, ensuring only the most relevant leads make it to our final list. Now to go into the actual copy that we are using. So for messaging, we kept it straightforward. We didn't actually use any fancy like AI personalization, just a really concise 5-sentence email inspired by Eric Nowoslawski's framework. And here's how it went. First name, noticed you follow influencer name on LinkedIn and thought you'd be interested in pain point we solve. So we made that unique to our client. Then we added social proof. So this was, we tested multiple offers. I believe the winning one was something along the lines of we've helped 25 plus agencies like yourself and saved over 100Ks in fees while doing so, something along those lines. But then we do spin it around to give a lead magnet up front. So it's like, but I never expect you to believe me without giving you something first. I made a video for you that explains mechanism, which ties a little bit back to the social proof and also the pain point that we solved. And then would you like me to send it your way? It's direct, simple, resonates with the decision makers, and is easy to bring into a booked call scenario once people have seen the video and see how much value our client was able to provide. The results speak for themselves. This sniper campaign booked 9 booked calls and generated 41 positive replies. The positive replies that have not booked yet will be nurtured for future opportunities. So really at the end of the day, by targeting the right audience and crafting clear messaging, we helped our client just cut through the noise, land in the inbox, get noticed. And that's really all we're trying to accomplish at the end of the day. So here on the left, you can see the actual calls that we booked. And then on the right is the screenshot I showed earlier of the actual campaign. So what do you think? Would this approach work for your niche? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more actionable insights like this one, hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.